Hello friends, in this video I want to share an experience with you that many of you might have faced as well. It's about an issue that has come up in the payment process to the FB market broker, which has been unsuccessful every time. The deposit was made through an electronic wallet and the cost is deducted from the wallet, but it hasn't been transferred to the trading account. As you can see from the history section, no transaction has been recorded for us. Considering that payments were made twice and the cost hasn't been transferred to the trading account, no transactions recorded. Payments made twice, cost not transferred to the trading account. Various methods will address this. Given that the payment was made twice and no funds were transferred to the trading account, and according to the chat we had with the broker's live chat, they mentioned that various methods would be used to address this issue on our account. If you have a similar experience or know a solution to this problem, please connect with us through the comments. Wishing you success and profitability.